Hi there, I'm Natalie Tubman, the Education Specialist here at Office Max. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive poster using Makey Makey. We're going to track Jean Batten's infamous flight from the UK all the way to New Zealand. So firstly, what is a Makey Makey? This awesome kit is designed to turn everyday objects into touchpads. It uses conductive materials to basically trick them into thinking that they're a computer. The things you're going to need for this activity are a map, a Makey Makey kit, some copper tape, some split pins, and the Scratch software. So we need to discuss the locations and the sticky spots on her route that we want to talk about. So I'm going to start here with this little dot over the top of Iraq because this is where all of the bad things started happening. So now that I've got my location of where I'm going to start, I'm going to get my split pin and I'm going to very carefully poke it through my map so that I've got my split pin nice and flat, and then bend the two prongs out on the back, like that. And now I've got my first location. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to flip over the map, and we need to run our copper tape in a straight line from where our split pin is down the map and over the edge of the map, because we need to connect our alligator clip to here. Make sure it's really well connected to the surface. Now I'm going to connect my alligator clip to the copper tape at the edge of our poster, and I'm going to get the other end of our alligator clip to connect to the port at the top forward arrow. So now it's time to code. So what we need to do now is open up Scratch on your device and connect the Makey Makey from the Makey Makey up to a USB port. So let's start creating your code. To make the recording, you need to record your additional information and run your program. Touch the ground point with one hand and then press the split pin over our Iraq button and you will hear your recording. So just repeat that process with as many split pins and locations and events that you've got on your map, and ultimately have fun.